what is conducted here is the sounds which are below 200 hertz. Above 200 hertz are heard in the trachea and above. Various pathologies, this filtering aspect is abnormal and produces abnormal sound. That is the concept of abnormal lung sounds. If you classify as we discussed, it is breath sounds, vesicular breath sounds or bronchial breath sounds. Adventitious sounds, it can be continuous and discontinuous. Continuous is wheeze and ronk. The difference is high pitched, this wheeze, ronk is low pitched. Discontinuous adventitious sounds or fine crackles or coarse crackles. The last one is pleural rub, you can hear in pleurisy. What is the mechanism? What all